Introducing our Slingshot adjustable wind deflectors from the team over at Showchrome. These wind deflectors are sold as a pair and constructed from 3/16" lightly tinted acrylic and feature a steel black powder-coated mounting bracket to flow seamlessly with the factory mirror arm and housing. They offer 100 degrees of adjustability so that on cooler days you can restrict cold air from entering into the cabin, and on warmer days you can open them up to circulate cool air throughout the cabin, providing both you and your passenger the flexibility to fine-tune air control according to your personal preferences and/or weather conditions. And best of all, they install in just a few minutes per side.
Before you begin, determine which wind deflector is for the left side of the vehicle. Then use a 13mm socket with ratchet to remove the OEM bolt holding in your factory mirror assembly. Be sure to support the mirror arm as you loosen the bolt. Next, add a dab of removable thread lock to the end of the factory mirror bolt. Then grab the left driver's side wind deflector and slide it over the bolt. While holding both the mirror assembly and wind deflector, thread the factory bolt back into place a few turns, ensuring that the bolt is properly aligned. Then tighten down everything so that it's snug, but still loose enough to adjust. Next, sit in the seated position so that you can adjust the mirror housing angle to your desired position. Ensure that the mirror arm is parallel to the wind deflector bracket. Then rotate the wind deflector back and forth to make sure that you have adequate clearance between both the mirror and mirror arm. Once everything looks good, snug down the factory mirror bolt to the manufacturer recommended torque spec and repeat on either side.
Now, if you'd like to have a set of these tinted adjustable wind deflectors for your Slingshot, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot.